Welcome back. In the last video, we got this thing all roadworthy, so we're gonna go take it for a drive. We're in the garage. My dad's gone. We're gonna pull this out and put the spacers on it. We can't start it because the power steering line is gone, so it'll just spew power steering everywhere, fluid, and yeah. We probably should chalk the front tires. Good. Oh, why? Did you put it in park again? Yeah, that's not gonna matter because the back tire's off the ground now. Okay, so we got the spacers on, and it sits really wide now. Pretty sick.
Sweet man. Sweet man.
It's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the door seals done. These are all up in there. So we are gonna cut this out because it's all getting weird on us. My dad is working on this header over here. The seal was bad, the gasket. We had like a little exhaust leak and it was ticking. He's fixing that up. We got a stud that busted off, so he's trying to make it work. Okay, grind mode. Oh, there's a hole in my truck. We cut this one out of the truck, and then we cut a matching one to it, and then with the leftover, we're gonna patch the shifter hole with that. Trust me guys, I really know how to drill, but just not at the moment. It's the drill, I swear. Pretty cool. Oh, don't strip that out, please. Bruh. So am I like drilling into like the frame or something? That's so hard. Okay, so we got this thing mounted in there. Nobody's gonna put their foot on there and fall through the floorboard. And we got some sound deadening material out here. We're gonna lay this all out in the truck. We're laying this like lizard skin mat stuff down for sound deadening and vibration issues. So it's gonna help in this cab quiet it up. Okay, so we got all this down.
It's all down,
It's all
down, baby.
You got a slab check. So we're gonna go take it for a drive.
Yeah. Let's do it. Better than you thought?
Oh yeah, it's sick.
So you're riding on a seat, or what are you riding on?
Yeah, my seat won't be done for a while, so we get to sit on a cooler.
Nice. In a toolbox? Oh, what do you think?
She drives, baby. It's pretty sick.